Today we're making first part of Balkans. Let's make Slovenia. Go here. Down left by 2. The 3. Here we're Hungary. Left by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right here. This 1 and 1. Right here. And this center, the black, white, of blue. And bam. Yeah, Slovenia. Now we're going to hard hard part, Croatia. And we're going to go here down by 2, down down right by 2, 1, up right by 2. Go like this. Go here. It's looking a pattern and do this. Go to Hungary. I forgot to add this. So I place it there. Down by 3. Then and make it try here at there. And here we're already copying this pattern. Forget I just tell you go here. Go here. Go like this. This and then that. And red is placed there and the rest with lime blue, light blue concrete. Go right here. Do this. Go here. Do this flat. Do this and bam. Here. Like this, like that. Bam. Tap. Tap. So this girl. And bam. Go right here. And that. Do this. Bam. Tap. Tap. The rest of the dot will be red. And that top will be red too. Now for an insider partner, it will be Bosnia. So right here, then to this looking pattern. Go here. The down right by 1, down left by 1, down by 1, down left by 1, no, right by 1, and down left by 3. And then that. So right here, build this box. And then bam, bam. So this is repeated 3 times like stairs leading to the second floor. Like this. That. Okay. And this bring out your blue concrete and make this pattern. Cover up the white yellow. Next of it will be white. Wait this and then up back. And there. This will be your map right now. Next part will be the rest of Balkans, Greece, Bulgaria, Romania, Moldova, Ukraine, Belarus, Baltic, Denmark, Sweden, Finland, Norway. Okay? Good break.